Hello techies, we are in lab 2.3.8 and we're going to connect patch panel cables 1. So you are a network technician for a small corporate network. Today you moved a new workstation to office and office 1 and you need to connect the computer to the internet, local area network and the internet. In this lab your task is to connect the workstation to the wired network as follows. In the networking closet, use the appropriate twist spare cable to make a connection between the patch panel and switch. Use the port 1 on the patch panel and use port 3 on the Cisco switch. So in Office 1, connect Office 1 desktop computer to the local area network using the appropriate twisted pair. Connect the Office 1 desktop computer, obtain IP and DNS addresses automatically from DHCP server. Use the settings app to confirm that the workstation is properly connected to the local area network. So let us go ahead and start lab. If this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. I don't want it to be too long for you all. Alright, we are inside the lab and let's see what we have here. So the Ethernet cable and first task, let's expand this, bring this. First task says use port 1 off, use port of 1 on the patch panel. Okay, so let's plug this here, off 1. Okay, and then the other end is going to go into port 3 here. So this is going to go into port 1, port 2, port 3. So this is port 3 here. Drag and drop port 3. So in the Office 1 connect, so let's go back into the Office 1 hardware. And what are we doing there? Connect Office 1 desktop computer to the local area network using the appropriate twisted pair cable. Okay, so we connect one end of the cable here, the other end is going to go into the computer. So this is connected, this is connected. Okay, ensure that this is connected here and configure Office 1 desktop computer to obtain IP. Okay, so we open this, close, let's see, go to network and internet, and there's no internet here, it's not connected. So automatically from the HCP server and local network. So let's go to edit and set this to automatic, and we save, and this is now automatic. And go to network and internet. This is now connected. So go back to Office 1 computer and let's see. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So this is now connected. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.